For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. Umdlalo we Premiership, match day 24 for Mamelodi Sundowns. Akhumbula banisena game in hand bezimbini. Enye yazo ile bayidlale namhlanje against Stellenbosch. They still have to play another game in hand over the weekend against Richards Bay. But there's also that big game over the weekend on Sunday, FNB Stadium, the Soweto Derby. It was supposed to be played on Saturday, but it was changed to E26 because there's an event playing now, Pangase Expo, Johannesburg Expo. So I quasi event in at the same vicinity because of traffic and stuff. But Junior, let's go to Loftus, where Sundowns were playing against Stellenbosch. They played 1-1.
Shane maprala kunjani
I'm
futhi
okay.
ngibulise unkululeko ngibulise uBobzin
Yep.
Benedict Sovilakazi ngibulise Justice ebafithi kunjani keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, honestly speaking, both asiqale nje asikhulume ngegame yonke Shane.
Yeah.
Bengathi akusina game. They were playing is like ilanga belishisa bebadlala ngathi ilanga belishisa. Mama bheka intensity yale game bengasi igame bengasi ngathi game e night, you understand. I think Sundowns first half, well done to the coach we qale ngakhona with Sundowns because Kevin Hunt never beyanganama intentions to win this game. I mean Kevin Hunt umbonile udlalise this guy uJapa as a false nine. I'm talking about the defensive midfield here. I mean Putsa, sorry.
Yeah.
Chapa started on the bench.
Yeah.
Ungene waphuma. Yeah, Putsa started as a false nine. On the strikers young Mabaso. Ubonile skene sakor second goal. Unfortunately, the lineman said no referee. It's offside. He came in and scored a penalty for you. Ufigo I change game, Mabasa. Coach beyangana my intention to get the goal. Unomtiane una this guy Palace Uchinino. Nyamthanda Uchinino. Very technically very good, and also this guy Mtiane, very good player. But today, I need to be honest, I think he got it wrong, especially in the midfield. They failed to deal with two midfielders with Sundowns, which is
They got it wrong. I mean, Coach Kevin Hunt got it wrong, or these two guys, they didn't step up.
Coach Kevin Hunt to get it wrong when some player robot. I think the way he started, they had a chance to win the game. Stellenbosch, the way I'm talking about the last game they play. When player one, they are very dynamic. Azanga Dalisama player according to his strengths, Kuno Pili on the left hand side. One of the best talent in Khalingishon Mfana. Agam Dalisanga according to his strengths. You drop the ball to the boy too much. And also this guy Chaitas. Now you play with the false number 9, and this guy with defensive midfield doing a striker on the bench. Mabasa wanga dlalanga 3 central midfielders once. You understand? Maybe pack the midfield if you wanted to stop Sundowns and then adlali counter attack adlali Mabasa there is a striker. Now these wingers work which is Chaitas now this guy Pili. Imove yabo baqobonile baqalaphi. They defend too deep. Now imove yabo iqale afini yabo. You can't lomfana uphili the way skillful ngakhona ufuna uqala imove yakhe kuafi yakhe he's going to get tired. I mean umdawu is this pacey, he can deal in a 1v1. I mean lomfana kazange amsebenzisa umdawu today. Also umliba kana speed. I mean the coach if he was clever enough bekumele abaswipe njenga first 10 minutes. I'm sure this boy Pili, because of Dala solo for half, because of drop a half, being a drop all the way, because of cheetah, and then a puming on the other side. But he never had the intention to get the goal. Manga check on him, Tiane. I think both him and Junino losing tactical. I think they got it wrong. Coach, Bebala man. Kulma in the midfield, both of them I think Sundowns first half the best here in the midfield. First 20 minutes, like Sundowns got it very difficult. I think they never move off the ball. Very difficult from Sundowns. But the coach wants to I think these two. Ngayibiza ngo double 10, which is lomfana lo unchabele ngutsiki. Now this guy Sales. I think bebanga ma position. I think it confused Kevin Hunt much. I think that's why they got the goal. Good movement. Dimension. Very dynamic player. Yes, it can be individual and a team player as well. Namanje with keep understand. Nyaz guti second half. azangadlali first 10 minutes but awumkhipha umuntu njengaloya ubanike enye dimension. You understand? Mina kuyimi bengizominimate uSales ngoba umshishi ungene wa drop game khuluma nga second half. You understand? Mshishi came in, he dropped the game. That's for me. Honestly, I can be honest with you. Ungene wa drop nje game.
You think mhlambe uyidrophile was it maybe an instruction from the coach, because if West Sundowns even first half they got the goal, but you could see ukuthi they didn't have that much. Yes, the Sundowns, when they start scoring, they're looking for the second, they're looking for the third, they're looking for the fourth goal. But you could see, they got that first goal, and then you could see, okay, we just play the high intensity game over the weekend. Let's just keep things simple because it's already in the bag.
Remember, Sundowns, but chase a league. You understand? But Chase are with one of the best team currently in South Africa. A team that scored goals. No matter secure pound to pound, goal. I was relax Sundowns. They need to score goals. Yes, Mbonile game management, whereby they move, circulate the ball, but trainers telling Post never, but create a chance one game I call. Whereby I think Lapana. Uche pasa, he never saw someone.
It almost resulted into a goal. That's the error from Aubrey.
Yeah, I think but
good, great save from Ronan Williams because I finally angled the Sander because he already chipped in Napawaki, but as a son is Ronwen.
He was like Ronwen because that one goal, if you goal, they change the complexion of the game. So Sundowns, after getting the goal, I think after 30 minutes, if I can be honest, great. I think he could move from on the left hand side. Umdiba Buisele Pola, Gunsiki, Adlalu Sales, Badlali 1-2, this double number 10. Good movement from two of them, and then an up on the goal. But they were struggling to Choli Reynas. The reason being, these two midfielders, Lauga Kevin, A1, may be in front of Reynas, which is Ulam Fanum Tian. Very difficult for him with Adlalu Reynas. Ngoba is a very deadly striker if we am told. But because we told, you understand. And I think Matthews not much in Kulmanga first half on the game. Matthews are going to next Sundowns in Kulmanga first half. Sundowns after scoring the goal, Maramaska Kulmanji. Unless Kulmanji in the first half could win and then by Enzil and Kulman, they never created chances. Yes, they have equal position. They dominated equal position. After getting a goal, Futigaba. Easy for one good, okay, let's manage the game. Ngoba azang create a chance still. You understand? And now pound to pound, if they go to Sundowns, if they go to Amanje ba equal ngama points, into kumele ba realize ukuthi ngaba ku goal different ngaba ilo measure different, you understand? So enough, njoba ngisho ama-sub ka-coach, mina bengenge-eliminate uNtshabeleng, which is uTsiki bengeke mina. I was gonna leave this boy uNtshabeleng, leave him. Now mamkhipha lo mfana and then uzofaka umshishi. You understand, Mshishi has done well for Sundowns, but now you needed somebody who will move off the ball. You needed somebody who will run behind the defense. You understand? Umfana ubanika leyo dimension. He can score goals, can go behind, he can take players on.
So if ubungafaka ngozwana mhlawumbe club ya Sundowns, who you have brought in abeza kuphathela mhlawumbe second goal, third goal for Sundowns?
I rather play uReynas Bengzomiyeka mina mhlambe ulo, I mean this guy Reynas leave him. Okay. And then ngimfaka uLina ngenga two strikers and then uNtsiki must play behind him. Ngidlale ngaye mhlawumbe uSales mange-eliminator. I put Jaden Adams, simple. Ngidlala nga three midfielders. You understand? Now the coach made, I think kwenze nje ama-sub, I think we got it wrong this time. But well done to Mikel Cardoso, I need to be honest. I think in today's game, it's unfortunate not to lose the game because it's a lot of concentration. This boy, if I can be honest, he did very well. Lapana bekumela head ball, bengamelanga phakamisa inyawo. I mean, le ball leli ukuthi azistretcha avuse aphakamisa inyawo kangaka. Because he's telling Post got something out of nothing, and Kevin Hunt now it looked like he can make balance.
Well, before Sifa, Luchas has sneaky the signal. Usaleng came in the second half. What impact did he have?
That's why it's a wrong sub. Saleng and also Mshishi. Those were wrong sub. That's for me. Because Saleng now, Usaleng Jobang Shilong, not Jela Magasina Sundowns. Before you sign a play, Sundowns getting Kagile when they sign Saleng. I don't think he can fit in the style of play at Sundowns, honestly speaking, because Unogugega confused. Because when he ran, take players on, and then he lost the ball, Bamtata Bambege Penchin. 3 games I spent angadlali. Noma ngaba bamtshela bambonisa futhi ukuthi we don't want that. You understand? Like I said to you, bana ma player njengabo Mabasa, abo Maseko, the one that they released. Yeah. Which is I believe they similar type of player, bana bolochi banjengaye. So, mangabe yena uzofika adlale ku Sundowns. Kuyoba yini umhlolo ongakani? Kuyoba umuphi umhlolo because those are similar type of player even Loch ke yena unengcondo too much more than him. So Saleng is more individual player. Every time he got the ball, makatholakala elayinini uyambona ufuna kube elayinini, he doesn't want to find himself la kune traffic khona, and he want to be himself, take somebody on and then deliver spectacular. At Sundowns you need to mele combine, in fact you need to come in, a winger comes in, uyambona uMatthews unongena phakathi pass noma ngaba kabaniki lento abayifunayo le ma winger la amanye ama team, like going on the line, take somebody on. Banabo mapena abantu can do that, but they want a winger who can combine, come in and go score goals, and combine, come and defend as well. Mayelo umuntu lo akabaniki lonto le is a morph, he play now one dimension of indlela okudlala i-one, you understand, and we take players on, he can't come in, track back and mhlambe and defend. So also he can't combine with his teammates. So amasapho ithu njengoba ngisho amlimazela ucoach, which is Umshishi and yes, that's for me.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Kanye. Patelege analysis. Kumdlalo Busolofta Stadium tonight between the defending champions, Mamelodi Sundowns, up against East Stellenbosch. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.